Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the YouTube account you actually use. That links recommendations to your activity. Once signed in, go straight to Settings and toggle Autoplay off, then pause Watch History to stop new signals. Make sure to perform these steps on the primary device first, since synced accounts propagate preferences. If you use multiple devices, repeat these toggles everywhere. These moves immediately cut the obvious feedback loop that fuels personalized feeds and let you change what the algorithm sees next. Next, clean the history that teaches YouTube what to show. Clear your watch and search history and remove individual videos that pushed undesired topics. That reduces future similar suggestions. While browsing, actively mark videos as not interested and choose Don't Recommend Channel on repeat offenders. This gives direct negative signals. Also unsubscribe from channels you no longer want and use Home Recommendations preferences to fine-tune topics. Doing these things repeatedly reshapes the feed over days, rather than instantaneously. To finish, add durable controls. Browse in incognito or while signed out when you want neutral suggestions, and consider a browser extension to hide suggested videos or remove the home feed entirely. If you use a mobile app, disable notifications and manage recommendation topics under Manage All Activity. If the feed actually gets worse, briefly re-enable history to create corrective signals or reset personalization to start fresh. That often clears stubborn patterns. Troubleshooting tip: if recommended content persists, clear cookies and sign out on all synced devices before rebuilding preferences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.